and Xinjie will answer this question. First, Kylie, what is the difference here? You must tell me plus something or minus something. Plus 5. Is everyone plus 5? Xinjie, is everyone plus 5? Can you write down this is common difference? Why is this important? If it's not common difference, don't even think of applying this formula. It don't work. Kylie, what is D? Die. What is D? Plus 5. Xinjie, what is term 1? 2. Kylie, what is the formula that you use? Term n equals to what? Read out the formula first. T1 plus no, I want the formula first. D bracket n minus 1. Now, Xinjie, can you put in the number for me? What is term 1? 2 plus what is D? 5 bracket n minus 1. N minus 1 remains n minus 1. Next step, Kylie, this is 2. What is 5 times n? 5n. What is 5 times minus 1? Minus 5. Xinjie, 2 plus minus 5 give you what? Negative 3. Then 5n is here, so 5n minus 3 is the answer. Two of you okay now? Okay. Now, anyone cannot do, minus 2 of them, anyone else cannot do this. Otherwise, you skip and move on with life. Anyone cannot do this? Okay. Two of you go and try can later. Now, let's look at this kind of pattern. This is very common. Is this a primary school question, may I ask? Got see before? Primary school? Yes. Able to draw out pattern 4? How many squares do I have? How many squares do I have horizontally, the base first? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Can you please do me a favor? Don't draw this, Ken. Instead, draw a block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ken? This is correct. Next, how about the arms? How many square on top? This is 3, this is 3, right? So how do I observe? This is pattern 2, this is 2 square. This is pattern 3, this is 3 square. So pattern 4 must have 4 square. So can you draw the pattern now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can follow? 4 for the second one. Okay, the first one is okay. Anyone need me to freeze the screen? No. Now, write the expression for the number of square. Can I pause the video and let you try for 1 minute? Is there a common difference? Yeah. So common difference, what's the common difference? Plus what? Plus 3. Right, that's a common difference. Do you see? So D is equals to 3. Term 1 is equals to what? 4. So I can start the formula. Term n equals to 1. Let's 4 of you standing up. You want to help me? Who want to help me? What is term n? What is the term n? 4 plus 3 bracket n minus 1. Sit down. 3 of you want to help me expand? 4 plus 3n minus 3. Do you want to help me to write out the final answer before you sit down? 3n plus 1. Sit down. All of you got this answer? Do you know how to do C? Who don't know how to do C? All know ah? Huh? Value of n. N means they want to find out n equals to what? Yeah, so may I ask you, 136, is it n equals to 136 or is it Tn equals to 136? Can you show me your finger? Show me your finger. How many of you think that n is 136? Show me finger 1. How many of you think that Tn is 136? Show me finger 2. The rest, everyone must show me. 1 or 2? I'm still waiting for the rest to show me 1 or 2. I have 1 Kylie, 1 Maru. I have 1. Hey, the 3 of you at the back. 1 or 2? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hands down. I have 6 of you. Hands down, hands down. I have 6 of you who feels that the teacher is stupid. Because these 6 of you believe that n is 136 and then they ask you find the value of n. That means they tell you n is 136. What is the value of n? 136 lah. What are you asking? Therefore, this is wrong. So this is correct. I don't know. No, not important. But then what that it means is they are asking you, hey, if I tell you Tn is 136, that means in one certain pattern, I don't know which one, I'm going to draw all the different boxes. And then one of the pattern I count, they are all together 136 square. What is the value of n? What do? Start what? Replace what? Replace 136 to where? To Tn. Now, many of you are interested in the final answer, but I tell you, can I show you some horror story? Can I show you some horror story? Shh. Okay, I'm going to show you some horror story. I'm going to ask how many of you wrote this as your answer. Don't copy first, huh? How many of you show this? Hands up. Answer is wrong. Because it is wrong because of the word presentation. In your end of the exam, those of you who continue to show this will keep on having -1 for every question you do. That means you will fail the exam even though all the final answer is correct. Can I suggest you to change the habit and write the proper presentation? Everyone must have this on your paper now. Let's start. Tn is 136. Can you write down? 136 equals to 3n plus 1. Who is the last one to write down? Now walk over there. This is on the paper. Okay, there is a difference between confident and arrogant. And arrogant people usually will fail maths. How do I 3n plus 1? Very simple. Because the formula says Tn equals to 3n plus 1. How do I get it from above? It's a B answer. Now, I want to find n. What must I do on both sides? -1. So can you write down 3n equals to 136 minus 1, 3n equals to 135. Now, how do I find n? What must I do on both sides? Next, what must I do on both sides? Divide by 3. Now, what is the biggest difference between the correct one and the wrong one? The left one, there is no way any examiner, any marker is able to decipher the code. And hence, if the number is wrong, straight away 0 mark. Later on in set 2, 3, and 4, your steps got at least 10 steps to get the final answer. If you're going to write this all the way, there is no working mark. Wrong means wrong. Even if correct, the marker got no way to understand the working. This one, can I tell this to you? This one, by writing this got 1 mark. By writing this got 1 mark. By writing this got 1 mark. So it's step by step. Clear presentation telling you what happens to n at every step. And hence the final answer n equals to 45. So what's your question? 0. You want to try, you go and try. But I'm telling you it's 0. And I don't blame you because in primary school this is accepted. Primary school, I don't care what method you do. As long as you do this, it's accepted. But in secondary school, cannot. Not because we got OCD, but because later on your max working got 1 page. Can you imagine 1 page all like that one? With numbers flying all over the place. Without a single explanation. Then you got problem because later on, the teacher cannot give you working mark anyhow. Then what happened? During script check, I got answer leh. Can you give me 1 mark? No. Yes, Jia. Is for organization? Yes. It's for giving you marks, working marks. Very likely some of you here will do wrong. Instead of +1, what you do? Instead of -1, you +1. At least I can give you 1 mark. Understand? Instead of divide by 3, some of you times 3. Instead I can give you 1 mark. There's a lot of mark to give you. But if you do this, straight away 0. No working mark, 0. Understand? So in secondary school, we are looking for presentation, not the final answer. Max is so upset, she walked away. So please don't focus on the answer mark. Is the number 45? It's not important. Not as important as show me proper working. Don't show, no mark. Did I nag enough? Have I nagged enough? Why am I nagging? Because in the pile of the non-graded, many of you are failing because of presentation. You will see the P-1, P-1, P-1. Clear? Do I make myself clear? Complete the whole worksheet. I will see you on next lesson. Next worksheet means everything here, everything here, everything here, excluding the textbook question, excluding. Next week homework, next lesson homework is when? Wednesday, 30th of May. No, 29th of May. Alright, thank you class. No, hold it first. Thank you class.
So Mr. Then do you put Tn equal 45 or just put n equal 45?